Hello, thank you for your interest in MobilCTI Power Dialer for Android phones. You know your business better than anybody else. MobilCTI Power Dialer allows you to create and launch multiple campaigns from your Android phone to contact your customers and generate new leads. It provides a way to capture dispersion of each call and take notes. Also, it provides reports on campaign progress and results can be exported to Excel spreadsheet. All this for just one-time fee of $2.99. There is no monthly charges or any charges per leads. Also, it has features such as do not call, automatic reschedule of calls when it's not answered or busy, etc. Here's a quick demo of how you can create and launch campaigns in few seconds. Let's review the settings first. Here, you can specify the call dispositions you would like to have or configure in the dialer, and it's totally customizable. And also here you could specify the mode of operation. The applications allows you to operate in two modes. One is power mode, the other one is preview mode. In power mode, the system dials one contact after another. In preview mode, you have full control when the contact is dialed. So once the settings are set, we could go and create our campaign. Let's go and create our first campaign. The system always comes with a sample campaign. But to create a new campaign, first copy the CSV file to the SD card or send it via email. Once you have the CSV file in your phone, creating campaign is easy as clicking few buttons. So I click on the create new button, then I will browse and choose a file that contains the contacts. In this case, I'm going to choose a sample weekly lead sample CSV. The system will automatically create a campaign with the same name as the CSV file. And here it shows which column has the phone number. You have option to set the primary phone number to any other field, but in this case we will stay with the home phone as our primary contact phone. And the start date is June 20th. The end date is July 20th. If you want to change the end date, click on the end date and change the date to a desired date. So now the campaign is created. You could verify everything is okay by clicking on the campaign, and you see all the contacts are now loaded and they are in start status. So let's go to the main menu and launch the call. So it shows there are two campaigns available to launch, and I'm going to choose the newly created campaign. Here's the first customer, who is John Doe, and all his information is presented, and the system then dials the customer automatically in the power mode. After talking to the customer, the applications offers several screen where you could say what happened to this call. So if, let's say in this case the customer is answered the call, and now I have an option to specify the outcome of the call. For example, offer accepted, and I could type a notes here. then system will automatically dial the next customer. In this case, I could say add this customer to the do not call list. Then the system dials the third customer, and so on. So now, after a few contacts, I cancelled out of the project. And now let's go and look at the manage do not call list. Remember, when we clicked on the do not call list, that number is automatically added into this list, and the customer will not be dialed again. In reports, I can see that I have 4 contacts and I completed 1 contact, and there is another contact that said do not call. And this information can be exported to a SD card at any time. Now I would like to show you the preview mode. In the preview mode, I have the opportunity to review the customer's info and initiate the call by myself by click on the dial now button. The rest of the screens are same, and for example, I could reschedule this contact to be dialed in 1 day or in 1 hour by simple touch. And here I could modify the name or the phone number of the customer if I need to. And same thing in preview mode, the system will dial one customer after another, but you have a complete control, and you could skip this contact or you could cancel out of the campaign anytime. Finally, you could have multiple campaigns created, and some of our campaigns could be having thousands of records. One example is this campaign has close to 3,000 contacts. And thank you for your interest, and please provide us your feedback in Android Marketplace. Thank you.